Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, what we want to do is we want to grab a non-metallic tool. So for example, a soft brush or a soft glove. Soft brush is much more better. It's the best choice out here. And then we can just go over and grab. I have a cloth, but if you have a brush, then that's amazing. And right here at the bottom, we will have the mic port. We just need to swipe it up, and it would be better if you could go inside of it. So for example, with a soft brush, but the soft glove might also do the job, so you guys can try it out. Now what you guys can do is let's unlock the phone and let's go over to the recorder app. So here we have the recorder app, as you guys can see. Let's click on get started, and here we need to enable it while using the app. Now notifications are not important, but I'll still enable all of it. And here we can tap the record button to start. And basically after we start, we will see if our microphone works. We just need to give it permissions. And as you guys can see, that's basically how it would look like. And now if your microphone is still not working, what you guys can do is try and update the software to fix any mic glitches. So let's go over to the settings. Now here in those settings, let's scroll down until we see the system updates. Here we can check for updates, and as you guys can see, now it's checking for updates and everything looks good for me. I'm using the latest software. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important and it might fix a lot of issues, including your microphone not working. So if none of that worked, then it might be the issue of your hardware, and I would recommend checking out your phone at the service center to get a professional diagnose. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.